Solving Inequalities. First question. We are asked to write the inequality using interval notation and illustrate the inequality on the real number line. The inequality is -5 less than or equal to x, and x is less than 0. Let's begin by placing this on the number line. Imagine a number line extending from -infinity to +infinity. We will mark two key points, -5 and 0. Notice the x must lie between -5 and 0. That means we will shade the portion of the number line between these 2 points. Now, we check the inequality signs carefully. At -5, the sign says less than or equal to. Because of the equal to, we must include the value -5 in the solution. On the number line, we represent this by drawing a closed circle at -5. At 0, the inequality says less than. There is no equal to here, so we do not include 0. On the number line, we represent this with an open circle at 0. When writing the solution in interval notation, we always record from left to right what we shaded. We shaded from -5 included up to 0 not included. Therefore, the interval notation is bracket -5 parenthesis 0. Now, let's solve the second question. Solve the inequality. 1/2 times the quantity x minus 4 is greater than x plus 7. The fraction 1/2 makes things messy, so let's clear it. Multiply both sides of the inequality by 2. This works because multiplying by a positive number does not change the inequality sign. On the left, 1/2 times 2 is 1, so we are left with x minus 4. On the right, 2 times the quantity x plus 7 becomes 2x plus 14. So the inequality is now x minus 4 is greater than 2x plus 14. Next, let's move terms to keep variables on one side and constants on the other. Add 4 to both sides. X is greater than 2x plus 18. Now subtract 2x from both sides. X minus 2x is -x, so we have -x is greater than 18. But we are solving for x, not -x. To isolate x, divide both sides by -1. Remember, dividing or multiplying by a negative flips the inequality sign. So, x is less than -18. Finally, let's place this solution on the number line. Draw a line from -infinity to +infinity and mark the point -18. Because the inequality is strictly less than no equal sign, we use an open circle at -18. Shade everything to the left since x is less than -18. In interval notation, the solution is parenthesis -infinity, -18 parenthesis. That completes session 1.4.